Used to environmental pollution. This is made of empty ball drink skin. We can make use of the empty cans to make so many things. One such example is this piggy bank. It can encourage children to know the values of money savings. Our third showcase is flowers. Polythene bags are a convenient product to carry goods, but it is one of the most prevalent and common contributors of environmental pollution. It is hazardous and toxic because it does not decompose. Even burning, it causes toxic fumes and produces hazardous gases like carbon dioxide and monoxide. These flowers are made of polythene bags. We can contribute a little in saving our planet Earth by recycling it into useful products. These flowers made of polythene bags can be used to decorate our homes and can be used as a gift. Today, recycling waste materials must be understood as a good initiative and should be encouraged in every society. Through this little gesture, however small our contribution may be in saving our home planet, it is our hope and prayer that this tiny step today will one day be a giant step for our future generations. God bless us all. Thank you.